It's a very tight entrance here, coming off the main parkway in Pigeon Forge. It's really squeezed in back there. Yeah, last minute trip. I just spent like over an hour driving here from Knoxville because traffic is unbelievable. I've never been to the island at Pigeon Forge before, which is it's like an entertainment complex, similar to what you see in a lot of other tourist areas where it's kind of all owned by one company, but then they rent out individual spaces for rides and restaurants and stores and stuff like that. But it looks pretty fun. I'm also going to be meeting up with Jason from the YouTube channel Coasters and Things, as well as the podcast The Thrill Life, which is a really fun podcast if you're into amusement parks and roller coasters. Definitely recommend it. But meeting up with him here today. Let's go. I'm trying to point out, they have a massive ass parking lot here. I think this might be similar in size, if not bigger than Dollywood's parking lot. But as you can see, it's mostly full, even for, it is a Saturday, but in the middle of February, so not even peak season. So they might actually need all this some days. I don't really know. They do have tram stops, but I haven't seen any like trams running, so I don't know what that's about. I'm just gonna walk, get my exercise in for the day anyway. What's a sidewalk? What's that? Just like walk on this dirt path right by the road, by this fence. You don't need a sidewalk. It's really what like everyone here is doing though. You can see like they tried to plant grass and it's never gonna grow because everyone's just walking down here. Maybe they should put in a sidewalk. I don't know, maybe. And I found the sidewalk, finally. You can kind of see it's about to appear. Yeehaw. I also found the parking lot tram. I guess I should have waited just another minute, but whatever. Wait, is that a cat? I think that's a cat. What the heck? We're crossing the bridge into the island over a creek. It's called the island because it actually is an island between two creeks. I think they kind of diverge here, go around, and then reconverge on the other side. Something like that. Pretty cool though. Alright, crossing the final street into the pedestrianized area. And I'm gonna find something to eat because I have not had lunch yet, and hopefully Jason will meet up while I'm eating. So yeah, there's SkyFly Soar America, their dynamic attractions flying theater, which I am very excited to ride. They also have a coaster here, of course, credit. It's like a kiddie coaster. But still, all the rides kind of over in that area. Right, cool. I found a map. So for some food. So yeah, we came in here. And yeah, it's a pretty small place, as you can see. There's the fountain show and everything. And that's like half the place. There's just some rides behind here. And you can see how the island is formed with the water there. So it looks like it's pretty much entirely like sit-down restaurants, and it's like already 2 p.m. so I don't want to fill up too much before dinner. So I'll probably just this looks like the only quick service place in the entire complex. So I'll probably head over there. But Jason's about here, so he should be walking up here any minute. All right, so here's kind of where all the rides are. I didn't know the Nebulaz was actually done. We found Jason here.
Hey.
So yeah, I'm gonna go find this quick service place and grab something to eat real quick, and then we'll see about rides. It looks like their SPF drop tower is not done yet, but I've heard those are really bad, so I think this shack here is the only quick service place here from the map. Everything else looks sit down, so this is kind of sketchy, but I paid $5 for a hot dog that kind of looks like it might make me sick, but I'm hungry, so let's find somewhere to eat this. You got chips from Skyland Ranch.
Yeah.
The classic Lay's barbecue. Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. All right, we're about to ride SkyFly Soar America, which is I think it's a dynamic attractions flying theater. And the only one of these I've done is soaring at Epcot, and it's been a long time. So.
I did one in Italy a month and a half ago.
Okay, sweet. So we're about to take a ride on this.
The one in Italy, it had over-the-shoulder restraints for some reason.
Okay, I don't think we're getting over the shoulder this time, luckily.
No.
Just paid $25 to ride this ride. Hopefully it's good.
Of course, that, like all of my inventions of the time, were steam-powered.
Naturally.
And it actually flew. That is, until some hunter mistook it for a giant bird and shot it out of the sky.
You never told me that.
I think it may still be mounted on the hunter's trophy wall.
Oh. Well, then there was your steam-powered jetpack.
Yeah, it's a nice queue. Just not very many people paying $25 for this.
I need you for 5 minutes. Oh,
Oh, I forgot about that.
what is going on? Oh no, Papa.
You'll soon be on your way up to the hangar.
Assuming we can figure out how to get this thing moving, of course.
Not to worry, just one more small adjustment and voila!
Bravo, Papa. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so thrilled to share this journey with our brave travelers.
How's the flight control secretary looking, Hannah?
I'm afraid you're wired some of the circuits in backwards.
Well, that would certainly explain a thing or two. Go Tuesday and months ahead.
Okay, stop. Focus. This is not reassuring anyone at this point.
I'll figure it out. Oh, hello again, dear travellers. Congratulations for having arrived at the launch platform. I realise it was not an easy task to do so, and it appears we've lost only a few of the travellers this time.
Yeah.
That's a dope pre-show.
Yeah, actually, I like that. It's very well themed, actually. I'm surprised.
Hannah, if you will man the manual and check the checklist.
I would love that, Papa. Ready?
Standing by.
Hamsters engage.
Hamsters engaged. Hello, fellows. How's it going? Hamsters are engaged. Well, 2 of them are. The other one is going to be single for life. All the windows have been closed securely, except for the one below, and that's been broken for years, so there's no way to fix that one.
Next, fasten your seatbelts. Pull the belt through the center loop before buckling.
It is time to embark on our journey. Enjoy your flight, travelers, and welcome to the future of flying.
Yeah, as I was saying, the one I did in Italy, he had a really good pre-show as well, except it was in Italian, so I couldn't understand what was being said.
Oh. They were at the front. You too, thank you. You're a bit of a themed exit way. Not as themed as the queue, but... Okay, overall, that was awesome. It was just way too expensive.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I wish it was a little longer.
Yeah. Well, I wish that it was like unlimited for the day. Like for $25, I feel like I should be able to do that as many times as I want to, but... Alright, time to go blow more money on crap, I guess. So they actually took IDs for credit cards for some reason. I've never seen that before. They required you to show an ID to use a credit card. But anyways, we got a unlimited ride wristband, so let's go ride some rides, I guess. So I've never done a Zamperla Nebulaz before. This just opened very recently. So you said this is like the most underwhelming thing
They are
ever.
really underwhelming.
All right, let's go. Okay, it wasn't that bad. You get like a little bit of floater going over the top. More when you're going backwards than when you're going forwards, but
I don't know why he's talking about. Those rides are so underwhelming.
I don't know about this. We're gonna get Dance Party 360 over with here. Yeah, I've never done a pendulum ride that goes all the way upside down before. This will be interesting. Gross.
I didn't like that.
No, it's I guess if you're like really into sustained hang time, kind of, but the motions are just really jerky, and you don't really get any like airtime feelings like you do on like any other pendulums. Like I would that's like not even comparable to any other kind of pendulum ride I've done. Like it's just a completely different thing, but do get a ride on the Great Smoky Mountain Wheel, which is actually a pretty big Ferris wheel. And that's included with the unlimited wristband. So I'm actually pretty excited for this. It's a pretty big Ferris wheel, and they look like pretty nice, you know, gondolas. There's a crack on that one. On number 2. Yeah, this setup's giving me Kentucky Kingdom vibes, but obviously it's a much bigger and nicer wheel than Kentucky Kingdom. Chance American wheels. Yeah, it looks like these pods are climate controlled. I don't know if it's working, but... Yeah, so as you can see backwards, this is a Chance Rides wheel. Oh, narrate.
Pigeon Forge.
Very quiet narration, but...
Please remain seated at all times. Do not rock or
climate
shake at
control
all.
and real nice. Alright, we have a nice overhead view of the Margaritaville Resort there. And the Pigeon Forge Strip. Going into the Smoky Mountains.
Over there is a mountain mile with Mountain Monster.
Yeah.
It's where Taylor and Sarah famously met.
Yeah. Forgot about that. I mentioned that. Sometimes I eat there after Dollywood with some of my other friends. There are the creeks, and we are pretty much at the top. Yeah, we're gonna stop directly at the top.
Hey, I don't mind that. Good view.
Yeah, some of these capsules, like the glass is like cracked, which is terrifying. So luckily we did not get one of those. Okay, so this was like heat when we got in, and it's like getting colder now. Not cool. Not cool. Look, I found frogs and fireflies. I wonder if they'll let me ride. What? Somewhere here there used to be a wooden roller coaster, like full size. Operated for like...
1 year.
Yeah, like a year.
Actually, a
So-
little over a year.
Okay, yeah. Alright, we're gonna do the last of the new flat rides here that we haven't done yet, which is this Zamperla thing that appears to be the same model as Treetop Tower at Dollywood. Someone correct us if we're wrong. Welcome to High Score, an insanely intense flat ride here at the island. Look at these seat belts. So they're not like pure lap belts. They are like kind of come halfway up your chest. It's very strange. I don't really know why we need seat belts though. Okay, Treetop Tower was much better. I don't know if you've ever done Treetop Tower.
Yes,
but-
I have.
Yeah, I think it was much better. It had a really short ride cycle, and it was kind of a lot more dizzying than I expected.
It was.
Yeah, that was something. They don't joke about small Coca-Cola. All right, I got a cinnamon roll from the Cinnabon ATM here. Probably the last thing I needed, but whatever. I'm hungry. All right, we're heading out. Thanks for hanging out with me, Jason. Hopefully I'll see you at the Big Bear Mountain opening.
Yeah,
That's probably the next time you'll be up here. I'll probably be up here way before that, but I don't know when. So anyways, it was a fun day at the island. Really like that flying theater. It's just unfortunate that it costs so much.
Yeah.
But so I probably won't do that again if I come back, but I don't know. I'll probably come back here at some point soon. We'll see. There's still a few little rides that we didn't do that I could do next time, save some fun. So anyways, thanks for watching. I need to go get some actual dinner now. Actual dinner obtained. So yeah, I probably would have ridden a lot more than I actually ended up riding, except I was definitely getting a bit of nausea and stuff. It has been quite a while since I've ridden some rides. I mean, other than my Skyline Ranch visit 2 weeks ago where I only rode the mountain coaster, the last time I was actually somewhere and rode a lot of rides was Dollywood at the beginning of December, so it's been literally 2 months. So I apparently got to work back into it a little bit. My body's just not 100% used to it, and you definitely have to watch your limits with motion sickness and stuff. Nobody wants to be sick at a park while riding rides. So anyways, if you like seeing Jason, be sure to check out his YouTube channel, Coasters and Things, as well as his podcast called The Thrill Life that he does with Beyond the Thrills. I'll probably be seeing him again during the Big Bear Mountain opening, either that or the Air Force One opening, but hopefully both. And in terms of when my next visit to an amusement attraction will be, I don't know, but you should subscribe to Coasting the Planet. Yeah, I'm gonna go now and play some Splatoon 3. Check out Variety Entertainment Studios, my other channel where I post random things, including video games. Okay, bye.